Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading or investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla finished up 95 cents today, 0.13%. We closed at 753.87. Post-market, we seem to be down by 87 cents at 753. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We stayed above 750, so that's the good news. We stayed above 750, but it was a hard day. So we opened right here outside of this resistance. Tesla has been in a channel going from support to resistance since mid-May. So we opened outside of that channel this morning, went a little bit higher, as high at 764.45, and then was squished down towards the morning, down to 741. So see again, there's no random movement. There's no random movement in stock, because why did this stock touch our support at 741 perfectly? Why? Because other people are doing lines like I'm doing them, and basically on the trading floor on the stock market, people are doing lines. So technical analysis is great. So we went back and touched on support and then closed above 750. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. This is the first hour right here. So we opened above and it was a nice first hour, but then things got a little bit worse during the second hour. We broke down, and I'm trying to find the number. Trading view is not okay, but it's 750. But trading view, is it trading view or it's my mistake? No, it's trading view's mistake, because 750 is supposed to be somewhere on that line. So we went through 750, and look at this, is perfection right here. So the third candle of the day went and touched 741. So exactly it was 740.85. I like to see this kind of a precision. So we went and touched it as support and bounced on it and extended ourselves. And we are also back into this very short-term channel. So Tesla is also back in that short-term channel. A quick look at the indicators, nothing to say about them. Going back to the daily chart, so stochastic is still pretty high at 90.85. RSI is still strong, MACD also strong, and DMI also strong. So right now, it's been 2 days in a row where we have been very close to the resistance. So we could expect the stock to bounce back towards the support at some point. If you look at June 25th, we stayed even outside of the channel, stayed there 5-6 days, and then came back down to support. The stock can stay 5, 6, 7 days close to resistance before going down, or sometimes it's just going to touch and come back down quick. So it's hard to say what is going to happen, but stochastic is super strong. So I think we might have a chance to stay around resistance for a couple of days. I don't know. I am a trend follower. I follow trends. So far, I don't see a change in trend. The trend is still upward, but there's this resistance that has been reached. Boom. So the stock can break a resistance, or it can obey a resistance. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can join me for $5 a month, becoming a member, so you have access to my weekly technical analysis I do on the weekend using the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. And if you happen to be online at the same time as I am recording them, well, then you can join me and we can chat together. You can also tip me $20 if you want me to do other stocks. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.